So for the next problem, there are 20 kilograms of flue gases formed per kilogram of fuel oil burned in the combustion of dodecane. Ano ba yung dodecane? Kaya ang problema natin, yung pag-name ng kanilang chemical formula. So, tignan nyo dodecane. Saan ba tayo magmumula? Imposible naman niya mas mababa yan kay octane. Since octane is 8, 9 is nonane. Okay? Nonagon, di ba? 10 is decane. Parang decathlon, 10, di ba? Decathlon. Tapos yung 11, undecagon, hindi naman yun, di ba? Eh yung, ano, dodecane, di dalawa, di ba? So, tapos pag tridecane, that is 13. So, this is C, 12 plus 2 times 12. Okay? H, 2 times 12 is 24 plus 2, 26. So, ito yung formula ng dodecane. So, dito, mas maganda kasi dinodrawing mo siya para mas maintindihan mo. Okay? If you have a combustion chamber here, yan. Sa combustion chamber mo, magdadagdag ka ng air, magdadagdag ka ng fuel. Siyempre, lalabas yan as flue gas. Okay? By mass balancing, yung mass in is equal to mass out. Okay? So, kung ano yung dinagdag mo dyan na air and then fuel, ang lalabas dyan will be yung total ng flue gas. Okay? Now, if I will divide it with the mass of the fuel overall, so this will become air-fuel ratio theoretical plus 1 equal to mass ng flue gas. Okay? Or yung gas per fuel. Yan yun. So, anong binigay sa'yo dyan? Yung gas per fuel. Sabi dyan, you have 20 kilograms of fuel, of flue gas per 1 kilogram of fuel. Now, ang inahanap dyan is yung amount of excess air in percentage. Okay. So, anong hanapin natin? Siyempre, yung mass of air muna. Yung mass of air is equal to, okay, mass ng flue gas minus mass ng fuel. Sir, saan mo nakuha? Ito. So, given dyan na meron kang 20 kilograms minus every kilogram ng fuel. So, you have 19 kilograms of air. Yan. So, pwede ko na palang makuha yung actual na yan. So, ang air, fuel, actual is equal to air, fuel, theoretical multiplied to 1 plus E. Okay? Meron ako 19 kilograms in every kilogram of fuel. Okay? So, ang hinahanap natin is E. Okay. Simplify natin. So, 1 plus E equal to air fuel actual divide by air fuel theoretical. So, E is equal to air fuel actual divide by air fuel theoretical minus 1. Eh sir, saan magmumula yung air fuel theoretical? Okay? Recall natin. Okay? Yung binigay kong formula kanina. Yung air fuel theoretical is equal to 32 plus 28 multiply mo ng 3.76 divide by 12N plus N. O, basic yan. Eh, sir, ano ba yung air fuel actual dyan? Diba, nasolve mo na? O, ang actual is 19 kilograms air per kilogram fuel. O, diba? Meron ka ng value niyan. So, I can now solve this. So, 19 kilogram air per kilogram fuel. Divide it with, minus 1 natin. Divide it with 32. Ay, kulang ako ng x dito ha. Yung x. So, 32 plus 28, 3.76 divide by 12 times 12 plus 26. Okay? So, multiply ko ito ng 12 plus 26 divide by 4. So, mahanap ko na si excess air. Okay? Calculator kagad tayo dyan. So, 19. Pababa. So, 32. O, hindi ko na ilagay yung 1 plus 28 times 3.76 divide by 144 is 12 times 12 plus 26. Then multiply to 12 plus 26 divide by 4. Tapos minus 1. So the excess air is at what percentage? Therefore, E is equal to 0.2718 basic. Okay? That is for dodecane. Okay? So next problem.